Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Vote for Diri as Governor of Bayelsa State. Vote PDP. Senator Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri has assured the voting public of their safety and security during the forthcoming governorship election in the state. The governor gave the assurance during the inauguration of his governorship campaign council recently in Yenagoa, the state capital.
In readiness for the November 11, 2023 governorship election, Bayelsa State Governor Diri, who is candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), recently inaugurated his campaign council. While inaugurating the council, Governor Diri sounded a note of warning that hard times await politicians planning to foment trouble during the forthcoming election.
This is a standalone election. Yes. The Navy have all their personnel and all their gunboats. The Army have all their gunboats and all their personnel. The same thing with the DSS. We are ready to go.
Director General of the Senator Diri Campaign Council, Honorable Mitema Obodo, assured Governor Diri that the PDP campaign will be based on issues of governance and that the party will strive to market a leading brand to the electorate.
We are going to perform this responsibility with the wings of victory, because we will be relying on all your achievements, whether in education, whether in health, whether in infrastructure, whether in capacity building, whether in the provision of wealth. You have done exceptionally well.
With regard to infrastructure development, Commissioner for Information and Orientation, Aibaina Aduba, says Governor Diri's achievements remained unrivaled throughout the history of Bayelsa State. The mouthpiece of the prosperity government maintains that the governor, who has touched lives across 3 senatorial districts of Bayelsa State, remains the candidate to beat in the race for Creek Haven.
The 3 senatorial roads are roads that had to do with 3 local governments not linked to the state in these modern times. Mind you, these roads are federal government roads, but we are taking them. And it will interest Nigerians and even Bayelsans to know that these roads are not taken alternately. We are doing them concurrently. The 3 roads are going on at the same time. If you have a manifesto, present it before the people. If they buy into your manifesto, they will vote for you. And as far as we are concerned, we are good to go. We will surely come back.
Off-cycle governorship elections are to hold in Bayelsa, Imo, and Kogi states on November 11, 2023. In a recent report released by AKUGHA Africa, insecurity is identified as a major concern ahead of the polls. However, the police headquarters has assured that there would be massive deployment of troops to stave off likely outbreak of violence during the elections. For its part, the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has hinted that it will deploy 2,400 BVAS machines across 2,244 polling units in Bayelsa State to protect the integrity of the polls. The expectation is that the people will be able to use the power of the ballot box to choose those they consider fit and proper to govern them.
Inside the Niger Delta. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Doye Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Doye Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Doye Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Vote for Doye Diri as Governor of Bayelsa State. Vote PDP. Senator Doye Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.